Hello, my name is Mini Sethi. Today we are going to learn about summary of magical book Hero by Rahonda Byrne. Who is hero in this book? Who is hero in this book? Hero is within you. Okay, hero is within you. This book help you to introduce with hero inside you. Okay, so let's start it. First chapter of this book is Dream, Call to Adventure. In this chapter, author says that there are so many people in this world. There are so many people in this world who think that they don't have anything. Okay, neither I have good life nor I have more money. Then how can I achieve my dream? Okay, then author says that one thing keep in your mind. You come in this world to fulfill your dream. Okay, everybody in this world is blessed with some unique kind of talent and special quality. You need to identify your unique talent. You need to identify your unique talent and special quality, because your unique talent will help you to change your life. Okay, then next chapter, how to find your dream. Okay, then question is that so many people confuse about their unique talent, how they identify their unique talent, how they identify their dream. Author says that to identify your dream, you need to look your inside. You need to look your inside rather than looking outside. So what you should to do? Okay, keep your hand on your heart and say to yourself, what have you come to do in this world? Say to yourself, what have you come to do in this world? Okay, first answer is your dream. Okay, first answer will your dream. Okay, then once you know about your dream, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, you can achieve it. Okay, then author says that vision. Visualize your dream. Imagine how you are achieving your dream. Okay, because Azim Premji, biggest businessman, we all know about him. Okay, says that success is achieved twice. Success is achieved twice. Once in the mind and second time in real world. Once in mind means in our imagination, in our visualization, we can achieve our success. Okay, then author says in next chapter how mind of hero works. Okay, how mind of hero works. Hero mind is full of positive thoughts. Hero mind is full of positive thought. Even million of negative circumstances, only hero have a skill of laugh and smile. Okay, in the million of negative circumstances, hard situation, difficult time, only hero have a skill to smile and laugh. Okay, then author talks about heart of hero. Okay, heart of hero. After knowing about mind of hero, we know about heart of hero. Okay, hero heart basically have three type of skills. Hero heart basically have three type of skill: courage, taking risk, and grateful heart. Okay, hero also have a fear. In hero heart also have a fear, doubts, insecurity, but hero have a courage. With this courage, hero fight with all these kind of things. Okay, second most important thing, taking risk. For becoming hero, you must have to take risk. Okay, third most important thing, hero have a grateful heart. Hero grateful for those things that he already have. Hero also grateful for those things that is going to achieve. Okay, this is biggest things for about hero. Okay, then the way of hero. Do you know what is way of hero? We come across so many people in the journey of hero. Okay, hero always humble to other person. If you want to be true hero, you should respect other person. No matter how big position you achieve in your life, you should always connect it to ground. Okay, in next chapter, author says that nurses and allies. Okay, in our life, we met with so many people. Some people support us, some people love us, some people motivate us. Okay, On the other hand, some people refuse us. Okay, author says that both kind of people is essential for our growth. Okay, a supporter is good for our heart. Okay, because they give us so much love. Okay, on the other hand, hater is good for our mind because they expose our dark side. Okay, that's why both kind of people is essential for our growth. Okay, then author says that roads of trial and miracles, roads of trial and miracles. Okay, in this chapter author says that life is full of challenge, life is full of difficulties. If you think that your life is going to be easier, you are misunderstood. Okay, you are misunderstood if you think that your life is going to be easier. Okay, then author says that when you face any difficulties, when you face any challenge and recover from it, you have more faith on yourself than ever before. Okay, then author says that victory, finally times come to receive your reward. The real joy of reward is that when you succeed by overcoming all obstacles, challenge and difficulties. Okay, lastly author says that life worth living. Okay, author says that once you complete your journey of becoming hero, universe give you new tasks. Universe give you new tasks. What is new task? Serve other peoples. Okay, help other people with your time and resources. We all know about Bill Gates. Bill Gates, after becoming richest person of the world, Bill Gates opened charitable organization. Similar to Bill Gates, so many rich person finally choose charity. Okay, so hero journey will end on charity. I think you understood whole summary of this book. Thank you.